Hi, this is TJ with E-TransControl. I want to talk to you about our newest product, our Universal Throttle Position Sensor. This product was developed after doing a little research and looking what was out there for carbureted engines. So everything else out there on the market assumes that you're going to mount this throttle position sensor to the carburetor itself. We found that kind of silly, running wires and putting an electronic device on a carburetor and on the linkage there. So we designed this product to attach to the accelerator pedal underneath the dash. And so it's a little more universal. It works with most any vehicle. And let me show you a little bit more about it. And we've made a few brackets to allow you to easily attach this to a firewall or somewhere there below around the gas accelerator pedal, gas pedal as it's called. And then you have the actuator arm with a roller on it, which can be removed, and a rod or a cable could be attached as well. The bracket is fully adjustable, has slotted holes so it can hinge in and out. The arm itself is universal and is on a hex with this little screw to the shaft, so it can be moved on the shaft at roughly 6 different locations. So it's a very universal product. It may not work for your application, but the design is to make it as universal as possible for older vehicles, newer vehicles, anything that needs a throttle position sensor that currently does not have one, in order to make the transmission control module function properly and shift the gears when you need it. The connectors also included with it, with a pigtail here. It's a standard GM connector because it is a GM type throttle position sensor, and the color coding is coded to the GM connector. And we include the fastening bolts here, but we do not include bolts that fasten it to the firewall itself. So it's a very simple, very universal, and we hope you enjoy the product and that it works for your application. We'd be happy to discuss it. If you have more questions, technical issues, whatever, we're always there to support you. Thank you.